Welcome students. Today we are going to learn subject science and technology part 2 of standard 9th lesson name information communication technology, the new direction of progress, video number 11. In previous video we have learned about computer hardware. So let's continue learning with the topic computer software. Computer software can be of two types: systems software and application software. Among application softwares, general purpose software include word processors, spreadsheets and presentation programs, images designing and voice editing software. So let's learn in detail about word processor. A word processor, also called as Microsoft Word, it is a software which operates or processes words typed on a computer. To work in Microsoft Word, one has to go through the following steps. First, click on the Microsoft Word icon on the desktop as shown on the screen. After this, select the new option in the File tab and then select the blank document option. Then type your material on the blank workbook on the screen using keyboard. Using different options like a bold, font size, italics and underline and font type, one can make the type material more attractive. All these icons are present in the Home tab. Example, one can make letters bold as shown below. First, select the text which we want to make a bold. Then click capital B icon in Home tab and you can see the change immediately. Also, one can increase or decrease the font size by selecting the text and then selecting required font size from the drop-down box in the Home tab. Example, the same text with font size 14 is transferred to the text with the font size 11 as shown here. After this, the same text we can make italics and underline it by clicking on capital I icon and capital U icon in the Home tab as shown here. One can change font type of the typed text by selecting the required font type from the drop-down box in the Home tab as shown and can get more attractive document. Now let's learn how to write mathematical equations in a Word document. To type equations in the text, select the equation option in the Insert tab as shown on the screen. Then select the proper equation and type it using mathematical symbols from the Symbols tools and you can get the equations in the Word document. Like this, we can insert different mathematical equations in a Word document. Microsoft Word is an essential and useful word processing program. So let's look upon the uses of Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a popular word processing program used primarily for creating documents such as letters, brochures, learning activities, tests, quizzes, and students' homework assignments. And nowadays, during online classes, For sharing the notes, it is playing an important role. There are many simple but different useful features available in Microsoft Word to make it easier for study and work. So let's understand about some useful features in Microsoft Word. First, Microsoft Word can check the document for spelling and grammar errors. Second, in Microsoft Word, header, footer and page numbers can be added. Third, also one can protect a Word document with password. Thank you.